Hello everybody, today we will see how we can create a virtual environment in R. So to create a virtual environment, I have opened my Anaconda navigator and I am navigating to environment section here. Now here if you go to the bottom, then you can see that there is a create button. So I will hit on create and then it asks me that what environment name do I want. So let us say I want to name it as R Studio ENV. This is my new environment and I want to create in R. So I have checked the R and I have unchecked the Python and then I will hit create. So now if you see that it is now creating me an environment R Studio ENV. So I will pause this video here. So now as you can see on my screen that R Studio ENV has been created for me. And this is right now activated, and you can see also that here our studio env is selected. So whatever I install now or whatever I do will now be done through my newly created environment. Okay, so so let us say that I want to install R Studio in this newly created environment. I can simply go and create an R Studio here. So basically it will install R Studio for me. Sometimes Anaconda can give you an error like this, which may state that RStudio cannot be installed on this environment, and it will suggest a default environment name for you. So need not to worry, just go here and simply hit create. And now basically now what it will do that it will start creating an RStudio environment for me. So sometimes it does happen that it does not install certain libraries on the environments created with custom names. So sometimes it may ask you to create a name as suggested, an environment as suggested by Anaconda. So you should select that particular name and hit the create, and it will create the environment for you. So that is all, and this is how you can basically go and create a virtual environment and our virtual environment for you and install the packages. So in case of any questions or queries, please let me know in the comment section. And if you find this video helpful, then please do not forget to hit the like button, and I will see you in another video. Thank you very much.